Hi everyone, this is Connie with AzRealtorConnie, and I am a realtor located in the Phoenix metropolitan area. And I have a finance degree and a master's degree in business administration, so I like to give a lot of consulting advice as well as real estate investments opportunities to my clients. So in this video, I'm going to go over being paid under the table and what that really means. So a lot of people think that being paid under the table, that they are not getting reported, they're getting paid cash. It might be a form of a personal check from their employer, or really form of cash from their employer at the end of the week. And they believe that they are not being reported to the IRS for their tax liability, and that the company is not reporting their income to any government agency. But the deception is, or the misunderstanding, or is, yes, a company can pay you cash under the table, but it's not necessarily not reported to the IRS. There are many clients that I have worked with who have been paid under the table and get audited from the IRS. So why are you getting audited? Because the IRS has been aware that you should be paying taxes, but they will wait because of their backlog, meaning they have so much work to do already that they may not get to your situation to 3 to 5 years later. So 3 to 5 years you have not been paying taxes, where you now incurred the taxes that you owe plus late fees and penalties. So your tax liabilities can be significant. And in any tax liability, when your debt becomes default, they have the right to take up to 40% of your income. They can take it out of your bank account. They can take it out. They can garnish it from your wages. That means that your employer, who you work for, has to pay them. Again, if you're getting paid on the table, you are under the radar, but it will catch up to you. And for the company, how they are able to do it, because this is a C2C contract to, don't even remember what C2C stands for, but that's when you're being paid 1099. Anyone can be paid 1099. There's two types of wages, 1099 and W2. So when you're a W2 employee, your employer pays all your taxes for you. When you're a 1099 person, you pay your tax liability yourself. So again, with the employees, any company paying anyone over $500 in any expense has to report it to the IRS as into I think it's 1098 form, and some, don't quote me on that, but employing companies have to report who they are paying no matter what. So you have to consider, does your employee, the company you work for, or employer, the company you work for, do you really think they are going to take the liability of tax evasion for you? I don't think so. They also lose the option of true asset to income ratio, all their ratios within their company, in order to get loans and funding and investment funding, capital funding, bank funding, their income and expenses and their write-offs. They're going to adjust all that for an employee being paid under the table. No, they're more likely not. They're going to do things by the book, which ultimately the IRS is always going to know. And with all this technology and technology advancing every year, you can no longer, or even harder, to get away with your responsibilities. So I'm meeting clients who have been paid under the table for quite some time, and now, earning a good income and wanting to purchase a home, but they don't have the history of their finances intact, and now they have a delay in purchasing a home. So I want you to get a full understanding on what it means to be paid under the table. No matter what, you are going to be liable for your responsibilities sooner or later. So I hope you got a lot of insight information from my blog here. And if you like my video, please like, press the thumbs up button, share, subscribe to my videos. And when you're ready to invest in your real estate endeavors, give me a call. My name is Connie. My phone number is 602. Well, it's right here. It's been there all along through this whole video. So give me a call. I look forward to meeting you, and I wish you the best of wealth.